You want to choose goals that excite you, that catapult you towards your highest goals, right? You want something that catapults you. Maybe um, sometimes that may be something that's perhaps a little bit challenging that push you towards being a higher version of yourself. Something that's really going to make huge difference in your life. Okay, so something that excites you, something that catapults you, and also very important, something that feels safe in your body. Okay. And that's all we are really doing here is making sure that you get towards what you want. This is the same as manifesting abundance, money, success, all of those things. It's same as all these things. We say we want things, but we're not safe in our body about it. And therefore, it's always going to be a goal, unachievable, like unreachable, right? We want to make it reachable. So the goal of this exercise is for you to be able to have reachable goals and actually reaching it. If you actually do the exercises, you will see a huge difference in just 1 month versus the last 2, 5, 10 years of setting goals, vision boards that are still there, right? All the goals are still on there. So this is going to really, really help you do that. By the way, I love vision boards. I have a vision board, but vision boards are not actionable. Okay, so be careful with that. Same thing with affirmations. Affirmations are great, but we want to be careful of the words we use. We want to be careful of the energies. Okay, we don't want to repeat things because it can bring this energy of lack, this energy of I haven't achieved versus I am accomplishing and I am achieving.